$6,690 profits. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 43. Welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to show to you the trades of this week and the corresponding results. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 0 positions. At the end of this week, we are left over with a portfolio that consists of 1 open position, namely 19 long contracts in wheat. During the week, we had another trade in soybean oil that we will talk about in a moment. Let's have a look at the trades individually. First market, soybean oil. For soybean oil, we received a buy signal in the weekly trend direction. On the daily chart, you can see that we had 2 trades in this market that were very successful. We decided to trade this market a 3rd time. However, this time we weren't successful. We were stopped out with a loss of $6,540. Nevertheless, the bullish setup in this market is still active, and because of that, we expect to enter this market with a long trade in the future again. Next market, wheat. In wheat, we received a buy signal in the weekly trend direction. On the daily chart, you can see that we waited for the right timing. Our entry pattern appeared and we took the chance to take this trade long. We are currently in the market with 19 contracts and we are well in the win. Now let's have a look at our second strategy, the so-called champion strategy. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 1 open position, namely 12 long contracts in wheat. During the week we closed this position and at the end of this week we are left with a portfolio that consists of 2 open positions, namely 13 long contracts in Bitcoin and 8 short contracts in the 10-year T-notes. Let's have a look at the reasoning behind these trades. Firstly, in wheat, we had 2 successful trades in the past. Because the uptrend is still active, we decided to enter this market again, and as you can see, the decision to take this trade was a good decision and we made good profit with it. The Bitcoin market is in an uptrend at the moment, and we used the correction that appeared on the daily chart to enter this market on the long side. We are currently in this market with 13 contracts. In the 10-year T-notes, we had 2 short trades in the past, which were very successful. Although we've seen very strong price moves in the 30-year T-bonds, we decided to enter this market short again. At the moment, we face an accounting profit of around $0. In the next week, we will see how this market develops and then potentially take action. In the champion strategy, we made a total gain of $13,230 this week. As a reminder, we started to trade the second strategy in November 2020. We started with a starting capital of $50,000 and now we made a total net profit of $207,600 within 1 year. That's an astonishing accomplishment, and we are especially proud of our coaching participants that learn from us and that are able to take part in this great success story. If you, as a futures trader or a beginner, want to take the next step and want an approach that is replicable, you can find the link to our website below our YouTube videos and you can fill in your information, submit it, such that we can contact you in order to answer all your remaining questions. Let me now show to you how our coaching program works. For those who have joined our coaching program, the program lasts for 12 months and its plan is as follows. It consists of theory, simulated trading, and real money trading. After working through the theory, you will be ready to practice. Our coaching's focus is practice, as you can see on this roadmap. Theory is good, but success only comes through application. As always, let's have a look at the CRB index as usual. And as you can see, nothing really changed. We are still expecting to see higher commodity prices, and in harmony with this observation, we will focus furthermore on the long side of the market. That's it from our side this week. Thank you very much for your attention. How was your trading week? Did you take some trades? And how valuable are those videos for you and for your weekly trading? Write it in the comments, and if you're already there, give this video a like such that we know that you are interested in seeing more videos about commodity and futures trading. Subscribe this channel to not miss out on future videos, and as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading. See you all at the next trading report.